Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about Envato element template kit is not installing and is showing up as an error. So how you can fix that and why PHP zip extension not loading up on your WordPress. So to fix the issue, you need to go to your cPanel. So how you can find cPanel? For me, I'm using Namecheap for that domain and for hosting as well. So go to your hosting provider and find cPanel or ask them your cPanel account. Once you get that, go ahead and open that. I have that over here. So I'm going to open this from over here. Once you open that, search for at the top right corner PHP. And once you search that, select PHP version. Find this option and click on this. Once you end up over here, there has to be two reasons. That's why it's not working. First of all, it might be not working on this version. Try to change it, and once you install this, you can go ahead and change it back to 8.0 or above. Or scroll down until you see zip over here. Make sure to enable this. Sometimes it is disabled, but you can enable this by clicking on this option. Once you click on that, you will see at the top right corner that it has been saved. And after that, try to install Envato element template kit again. These are the two reasons that error occurs. So that's it. This is all you need to know. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.